this year we decided to organize our yearly Congress in Valencia for a number of reasons. One of the main reasons is the presence of this conference center, which is a beautiful facility to hold congresses. I knew the place beforehand. Also, the city itself, it's got a lot of culture and history, and it also combines the historic city center, the new city, the beach, the harbor, the university. It's an ideal mix. And all the participants who took the city tour yesterday were really impressed. And those who hadn't seen Valencia for many years were also impressed because the city has changed so much. Also, it's an attractive destination because it's a city, but it's on the coast. And cities in the south on the coast are usually attractive for participants. Accessibility is reasonable. There aren't that many direct flights, but still flying via Madrid or Frankfurt is fairly easy, unless there are strikes in France like a couple of days ago. But apart from that, I think it's practically an ideal destination to hold a congress of different sizes.